Hello students, welcome to my channel Science World, and if you find this video useful for you, then please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. Okay, so today's topic is grids on the earth. We have already talked about the globe, and you know what is a globe. It is an exact model of the earth. Okay, so you have seen the lines on the map also, and on the globe also there are some lines. Okay, so these lines are lines of latitudes and longitudes. We are going to read about that. Okay, but first thing I am going to tell you that the earth is roughly spherical in shape. We know that the shape of the earth is spherical. Okay, it is just like a ball, but it is flat on the north pole and south pole. It is not exactly spherical, it is flat at north pole and south pole. It is like that. Okay, it is not exactly spherical, and it rotates on its axis. Okay, we know about the rotation of the earth, but when it rotates, it is not rotating in a straight way. It is rotating in a tilting way, means it is tilted at the angle of 23.5 degrees. Earth is tilted at the angle of 23.5 degree, and it is tilting, it is rotating in that axis only. Okay, tilted axis. The globe is also designed similarly. Okay, in the same way the globes are also designed. See, here I have this globe, and you can see this is the axis of the earth, and it is passing through the center of this globe. This is north pole, this is south pole, but it is not, if you hold it in the straight way, then it should be like this. No, it should rotate like this, but it is not rotating in this way, it is rotating in the tilted way. That means this earth, or you can say this globe, is tilted in the this degree, that is 23.5 degree. it is tilted. Tilted means झुका हुआ. ओके, वो tilted है, यानी कि अर्थ जो है वो 23.5 डिग्रीज में झुकी हुई है, और इसलिए उसका एक्सिस जो है वो ऐसा है. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दिस, इट इज़ लाइक दिस. Okay, so earth is tilted and it is rotating in the same way. Okay, the northernmost point of the axis is known as the north pole, and the southernmost point is known as the south pole, that we know. Then what is the use of this globe and maps, that we have already discussed in our last video. This globe and maps, they help us to locate the landmass, or we can say continents, oceans and different countries and important cities on the earth. Okay, so these globes and maps, they have these lines on them, that is imaginary line. These lines are not actually on the earth, these are only the imaginary lines. Okay, we have just imagined that these lines could be there for for locating these different places on the earth. Okay, so that imaginary lines drawn on the earth parallel to the equator, they are called the parallels or latitudes. Latitudes are the horizontal lines. Latitudes are the horizontal lines drawn on the earth, they are also known as parallels. Okay, and what is equator? Equator is the central line, we can say. Horizontally it is the center of the globe. Okay, it is the center of the globe, and it is marked at 0 degree. So 0 degree latitude is known as the equator. Okay, it divides the globe into two equal halves, that is north hemisphere and south hemisphere. Okay, northern and southern hemisphere. You can see here this north hemisphere and northern and southern hemisphere. Okay, here it is. This is the north pole, this is south pole, then this is the equator, which is dividing the earth into two equal halves, that is north part is known as northern hemisphere and southern part is known as southern hemisphere. Okay, so you can also see here these dotted lines. So this 0 degree latitude is known as the equator. Then this 23.5 degree towards north. Okay, these lines are parallel to each other. These lines are parallel to each other, and there are 181 latitudes are there. How many latitudes are there? 181 latitudes on the earth. How it is 181? See, this is the 0 degree latitude. Okay, 0 degree latitude, that is equator. As you move towards the north pole, there are 90 such lines. How many lines are there? 90 such lines. Each line is of 1 degree. Okay, each line is of 1 degree. So 90 lines this side and 90 lines this side, mean 90 latitudes this side, 90 latitudes this side, towards the north pole and towards the south pole. So total there are 180 latitudes plus these 0 degree latitudes. How many now? There are 181 latitudes including this equator. Okay, so what is the distance in between each degree? So we have seen that these are divided divided by 1 degree. So 1 degree, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 90 degree this side, and here also from 1 to 90 degrees. So the distance between each degree, that is 0 to 1 degree, 1 to 2 degree, 2 to 3 degree, the distance between each degree is 110 kilometer. How much? 110 kilometer distance is there. What is the distance of this equator? This is the largest latitude. Okay, longest latitude we can say. Equator is the longest latitude and its distance is longest of these other latitudes. So its distance is 40,075.16 kilometer. 40,075.16 kilometer distance of this equator, that is 0 degree latitude. Okay, then as you move towards the north or towards the south from this equator, the circles decreases in size from equator towards the pole. As you move towards the pole, the circle's distance decreases. Now you can see here, this is the equator. As you move towards the north pole, the distance, the length of this latitude is decreasing. It is getting smaller. The circles are getting smaller towards the north pole also and towards the south pole also, and the distance at poles, that is 90 degree latitude. This is 90 degree latitude and here the distance is 0 because it is a point. Okay, it is not a circle, it is a point. So here we have given special names for some latitudes like equator. You know, equator is the longest latitude, and then we have this Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere. It lies at 23.5 degree north. Then also we have Arctic Circle. This is special, we have given name to this latitude. It lies at 66.5 degree north. Then in the same way, if you move towards the south, the Tropic of Cancer lies at 23.5 degree south, and this Antarctic Circle lies at 66.5 degree south. So these are the special names given to some latitudes. Okay, so this equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, then Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle, these latitudes have special names. Okay, so this is about the latitudes. The longest latitude is the equator, and as you go towards the north or towards the south, then the distance, or we can say the size of the circle or the size of the latitude is decreasing, and at the north and south pole it is absolutely 0. Okay, so this is all about the latitudes. In our next video we are going to learn about the longitudes and the grids on the earth. Okay, till then, take care. Goodbye.